There is no single national or state licensing agency that distinguishes a chef from a cook. That said, for those trained in the culinary arts, there is little disagreement that a chef is not a cook. What differentiates the two? While there is no bright line separating a chef from a cook, there are some helpful markers. A chef will often have a culinary degree. A chef will normally have extensive chef-supervised training in a culinary school or the equivalent experience outside of school. A chef generally will supervise those less experienced who perform culinary work as needed and directed. It is said that a chef is responsible for the soul of the food, is creative, and may operate without slavishly following recipes. A cook, less experienced and still learning, will generally use someone else's recipes and the directions for execution on those recipes. So here's the deal. When we hire professionals, we may not be able to distinguish a chef from a cook. Lacking experience or education, we may think that all hospitals are the same, even though some fairly simple research might show one hospital to have a safety score of a C-, while another within the same geographic region is on the U.S. News Best Hospitals Honor Roll. We lawyers, in our own way, may be either chefs or cooks. At Hackard Law, we would not even qualify as a cook in many areas of law. Admiralty law, antitrust law, and aviation law are just some of the A categories that we have no knowledge, inclination, or experience in. We could go on from there and fill a very large list from B to Z. Now, where we think of ourselves as chefs, creative, experienced, and not necessarily following fixed recipes, is in the area of probate, trust, and estate litigation. That said, there's no national or state badge of authority for this area of practice. We're attorneys who like to practice litigation and estate and trust lawsuits. In our experience, such litigation may be quite creative, and a fixed recipe of success may simply not exist. As with chefs, there are many different styles that may work well. And like chefs, we continually strive for excellence in what we do. If you have an estate, trust, or probate litigation matter that you think will be advanced by creativity and experience, call us at Hackard Law, 916-313-3030. We'll be happy to speak with you. Thank you.